Hey, so today I'm going to be doing squats without the barbell. I got my free weights here, 20 pounds each. I'm going to pick them up and just rest them on my shoulders. Now, I'm going to use this rock, use what you got, so it's a marker for when I'm going to stand back up.
It's important when you're doing squats to make sure you're sitting back into the squat and getting a good hip hinge.
You want to keep your shoulder blades in tight. Pinch your scapulas.
In real-life situations, our legs don't just move in a single plane. Remember to train your legs laterally through space with power and quickness.
Oops, I forgot one. Let me get up.
After you've exhausted your legs, finish off with an explosive move requiring all your leg muscles to do the job.